Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Good to see you all after summer break. Hope you all will be fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our new chapter, chapter number 13, Sport and Movement. Need of sport. Need of sport. Why we need sport? The organism with greater sizes need sport to keep their body mass as one unit. To keep their body mass as one unit, they need sport. This is particularly true for the organisms that live on land. And on land, there is no sport. That's why the organism with greater sizes need sport. In a human, skeleton is responsible for sport and movement. Movement, what is movement? Movement is a general term meaning the act of changing place or position by entire body or by its parts. Type of movements. There are two types of movements. Movement of body parts. Locomotion. Movements of body part mean only the body parts move. Locomotion is the movement of an animal as a whole from one place to another, mean changing position from one place to another. This is locomotion. Next, a human skeleton. Human skeleton, what is the human skeleton? It is a framework of heart, articulated means joints which are present in the skeleton, structures that provide first physical support, second attachment for skeletal muscles. The muscles which are attached with skeleton are called skeletal muscles. And third one, protection for the bodies of animals. Types of skeleton. There are two types of skeleton. Endoskeleton. The skeleton which is present on inside of the body is called endoskeleton. This skeleton is present inside the body, and that's why it is called endoskeleton. Examples are vertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals which have vertebral column, and a human. Humans are also vertebrates. Next type is called exoskeleton. The skeleton which is present on outside the body is called exoskeleton. This skeleton is present outside the body. That's why it is called exoskeleton. Example, arthropods. Arthro mean jointed, pods mean legs, jointed legs. In arthropods, insects are included. Insects, this is cockroach. Now we will discuss the parts of skeleton. There are two parts of skeleton: bones, cartilage. In living body, Skeleton is very much alive. Skeleton is very much alive. That means the skeleton can grow and repair. Bones and cartilage are made up of living cells having nerves and blood vessels in them. Nerves and blood vessels in them. They grow and have ability to repair themselves. Role of skeleton. Skeletal system provides movement. First, second, protection. Third, support. First, movement. Skeleton works very closely with the muscular system to help body for movement because muscles contract and relax. The skeletal muscles which are present on the skeleton, when these muscles contract and relax, body show movement. Next, protection. Skeleton provides protection to many of our internal organs, like, for example, skull protects brain, vertebral column protects spinal cord, and ribs protect many organs, especially heart and lungs. Next, support. Skeleton provides support to our body mass. For example, vertebral column provides main support to our body mass. और किसी वजह से जो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम है डैमेज हो जाए तो आप मूवमेंट्स शो नहीं कर सकते, आप चल नहीं सकते, आपका नीचे वाला जो पोर्शन है, टांगे हैं, वो उनमें हरकत करने की ताकत नहीं रहती. Now we are going to discuss cartilage and bone in a human skeleton. The human skeleton is made up of bony framework, but mostly it is bony framework skeleton. But in certain parts, this framework is supplemented by cartilage. Cartilage, this is soft bone, like here, ear. Cartilage is present in pinna. Cartilage is also present on the front of nose. Cartilage present epiglottis and larynx and trachea. Cartilage are also present at the point of joints. Joint is a point where two bones make a contact. These are vertebrae. This is vertebrae, this is vertebrae. In between the vertebrae, here cartilage is also present. This is called intervertebral cartilage. And this is joint, this is joint, this is joint. This is also a joint. In these joints, cartilage are present. First, we are going to discuss cartilage. Cartilage is a dense, clear blue, white, firm connective tissues. This is a connective tissue. Bones are also connective tissue, but less stronger than bone. Cartilage is a connective tissue, but it is less stronger than bone. Cartilage. The human skeleton is made up of bony framework, and in certain parts, this is supplemented. This skeleton is supplemented by cartilage. Both cartilage and bones are type of connective tissues in animals. Most of the connective tissues contain collagen fiber in the matrix. Collagen fibers are also present in the matrix. cartilage. Cartilage consists of chondrocytes. These are the cells. The cells which are present in the cartilage are called chondrocytes. Lacuna. The chondrocytes lies in a fluid space, filled space called lacuna, present in the matrix of cartilage. This space, you can see, this space is called lacuna, in which chondrocytes are present. This is chondrocyte, this is also chondrocyte, and these lacunae are present in the matrix. This is a matrix. This is a matrix. Lacuna. Each chondrocyte lies in a fluid space called lacuna, which is present in the matrix of cartilage. Collagen fibers. The matrix of cartilage also contain collagen fibers. Chondrocytes are present, and in the matrix, fibers are present. These fibers are made up of protein, and these are called collagen fibers. No blood vessels in the cartilage. Blood vessels do not enter in the cartilage. The cartilage get food from the fluid. Types of cartilage, very important. First type is called hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is strong and flexible cartilage. It is found covering the ends of long bones in the nose, air passageway in the nose, next larynx, trachea, and then bronchial tubes. This is a bone. This is also a bone. In between these two bones, hyaline cartilage is present. And hyaline cartilage, in between the hyaline cartilage, a fluid is present. Elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage is similar to hyaline cartilage. It is also quite strong, but has elasticity due to the network of elastic fibers in addition to collagen fibers. हाइलिन कार्टिलेज में सिर्फ कोलाजन फाइबर्स हैं, लेकिन इलास्टिक कार्टिलेज में is made up of network of elastic fibers in addition to collagen fibers. Two types of fibers are present, elastic fibers and collagen fibers. It is found in epiglottis and pinna. This is a pinna. This is made up of elastic cartilage, pinna, and hyaline cartilage present in between. This blue color is cartilage in between the bones. This is fibrous cartilage which is present in this is vertebrae. These two vertebrae, in between these two vertebrae, fibrous cartilage is present. Second is called elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage contain both types of fibers, elastic fibers and collagen fibers. Fibrous cartilage. Third is fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage is very tough and less flexible due to large number of collagen fibers present in knitted form. Collagen fibers are present in knitted form. जैसे आप knitting करते हैं तो एक दूसरे के साथ निटिंग, जैसे अगर स्वेटर बुनने तो उसकी निटिंग आप करते हैं, स्वेटर बनाते हैं भी, जो वो फाइबर्स होते हैं उनको क्रॉस होता है, एक दूसरे का क्रॉस किया जाता है उसमें। इसी तरह ये भी होते हैं जिसकी वजह से ये टफ हो जाते हैं निटिंग की वजह से, और ये प्रेजेंट हैं इन बिटवीन टू वर्टिब्री। दिस इज वर्टिब्री, दिस इज वर्टिब्री, इन बिटवीन दीज टू वर्टिब्री this fibrous cartilage is present. Now, these are the types of cartilage. First is hyaline cartilage, second is uh, elastic cartilage, and third is fibrous cartilage. Now we will discuss bone. Bone is the hardest connective tissues in body. Bone is the hardest connective tissue in the body. This is also a connective tissue. Cartilage is a connective tissue. Bone is also a connective tissue, but it is hard. Why it is hard? There is reason why bones are hard. Bone not only move, support, and protect various parts of the body, but also produce red and white blood cells, red and white blood cells, and store minerals. Structure of bone. Compact outermost layer is compact bone. The hard outer layer of bone is called compact bone. Hard outer layer is called compact bone. This is outer layer, this is compact bone. Spongy bone. Interior of bone is soft and porous. There are pores, and this is called, due to the presence of pores, this is called spongy bone. It contains blood vessels and bone marrow. Blood vessels and bone marrow. Matrix of bone. Like cartilage, the matrix of bones also contain collagen, but it also contains minerals. For example, calcium and phosphate. In the matrix of bone, due to the presence of calcium and phosphate, bones become hard. The structure of cartilage and bone is similar, but bones are hard due to the presence of calcium and phosphate in the bones. Osteocytes. Bone contain different type of cells. Mature bone cells are called osteocytes, but mature bone cells are called osteocytes. In cartilage, chondrocytes are present, but in bones, osteocytes are present. Babies are born with 300 soft bones. Some of these bones later fuse together so that adult skeleton has 206 hard bones. This is your assignment. Differentiate between endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Next question is differentiate between cartilage and bone.